Now we're going to talk about making animated posts on social media. So this is basically a GIF or an MP4 movie file, but you can see this life raft is actually moving. So I'm going to open this and show you the templates that you can start from. But don't limit yourself to these as well, because there's so many things that you can do with your own photos, your own graphics. So let's say if you're over here, you can actually hover over them and see how it's animated. So it'll show you the animation. Now the animations, it's you do need to know that you can't edit most of these. Okay, they're just how they are. So that's how it's going to look and be. And I'll show you what I mean in just a second. So if you hit, let's just hit this one, okay? So there are things that you can change, and there are things that you cannot. These, you cannot change the color. You cannot change anything other than how big they are, the position. You can change, any of that information, but you can't change the colors of these animated stickers. Now, all of this you can click on and change it to your, company colors, your branding. That is all good. And as well, you can click on the background, change the background to your colors. You can edit all of these, but just not the stickers. So that's how you can add animated stickers. And here is how you can find more to add. So let's actually say that we were on a regular graphic that I had. So let's say I had this template that I was working on. This is a normal graphic, no stickers. Well, you can add your own by going to Elements on the left-hand side and clicking on Stickers. So maybe I wanted to add for people to swipe up. Maybe I wanted to put this in my Instagram story and I wanted them to swipe up or click here. Those are the really good ones that you can do, but these stickers are really just to grab attention. Okay, so it's a thumb stopper. So if you have this on your Instagram post, it grabs people's attention because it's moving. So that's the whole point of these animated stickers. You can tell them to turn the sound on. So maybe you have a video and you want them to hear what you're saying, you can put sound on. Or if you want them to click here, type click here, and let's put animated. Click here, animated. I don't know why I didn't stay in animated, but you can, if you type click here animated, you can see that it's going to put that animated sticker. So it's going to catch their attention. Now, obviously, you don't want all of these. It's a little bit too busy, right? Or you can, how fun is this little arrow, this little bouncy arrow, and then you could put, a click here button. So click here button. I can put this right here with a little bouncy arrow pointing to it. So that's super fun. So there's all kinds of things you can do with these animated stickers, but it really does make it a lot of fun. So you can search those actually in Elements tab, so you can see the stickers and see all, and you can go through a million different stickers here. If you actually type in what you want, stickers, and then cat, it's going to show you all the stickers, cats, at the top. So you can see all the different moving cats. How cute is that? Okay, so you can find them from there. And you can find them from the home screen. Remember, I showed you at first how you can get there to the animated social media templates. So they got some really cool templates that you can start from and work your way around that. So those are really, really fun.